message, I ain't going broke. Ran up them to 300 racks at that corner store. You could catch me in the hood where you wouldn't want to go, or down south asking niggas what they get.
Alright. Alright, YouTube, about to set the 1v1 right now. Check out. This is 1v1 number 1. Number uno. Oh. Oh. Oh! Alright! Alright, you got that, you got that.
You letting me go right?
I'm
Alright.
Oh, I fucked up! I'm on that! I'm on that! Oh, and what? No! I should have called a foul. Nigga slapped my knee. Run! Oh! Yo, that's some bullshit. I'm on that shit, bro. I'm on that shit. Oh my God! I can't. Like, I'm actually doing shit. I'm telling you, bro. From being out! Scared him. Oh! Yeah, he did. Yeah, I was too busy coming up. He said I should have lied, bro. I couldn't, bro. My phone not here. I should have punched it. I should have punched me, bro. It's like 2-1, right? Bro, that's like 5 air balls, bro. Am I that skinny to the point I can't shoot? I gotta get back in the gym, chat. Oh! Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Come on! I'm there. I'm there. I'm there. Give me that shit up here, nigga! Yeah, I'm getting locked right now. Give me that shit, nigga! I tripped it. Look to the wheel and this shit happen, bro. Damn. I lost. I low-key traveled. That's why I missed. I lost too much. Oh, that's a foul! You want some free throws? I don't know. I need the ball back. That's one. Oh! There we go. Woo! Nigga's controller delayed. For your enemies, right. Yeah. Hold on. Shoot with this one. Aiden, shoot with this one. You wanna go up? You wanna go up? Let's go. Ready? Oh, shit. Oh. His footwear in my mouth.
Yo, my hand keeps twisting. That's why I keep missing. I can feel it.
It's 4-6. I'm about to bust your ass. You wanna go to 21 so I can really bust your ass? Nah, we going to 15, bro.
Oh, okay.
Next game, we go 21.
I'll bust your ass.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
What, nigga?
Look, bro. He's not like that, Jack.
I'm not?
He's not like that.
Yeah, I'm sick of child. And when I see this video, better have glasses on.
Nigga, Chad, this nigga said we gonna need some glasses. Look at what I told you. Look at what I told you.
Hold on.
Yeah, see, look at this nigga really.
I understand it now, nigga.
He don't understand it. Look at this shit. I told you, he do not understand it, bro. He do not understand it, bro.
I understand it.
He did not understand it. What he's not understanding, bro? Look at this shit. There's another one. That's
I understand it, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh my God, 4. He's 0-4 right now.
No, I was trying to.
Damn.
Aiden, get out the mud.
Man, how you do it again?
I don't know.
There you do. How you do it? Do it. Do it.
I don't know.
Cold outside though. It's not that cold. It's not that cold though.
It's not good. 6'4".
Oh my God! Oh my God! I fucking hate this sport.
Nigga, both spins. Still this.
I can't. I'm fried. That is just some rice. I gotta put it down. 8.
You want to shoot another one? You not high yet?
You right?
You not high yet, nigga?
Yeah.
Come on. Lock in with me, gang. Lock in with me. I'm about to sing you a song.
Look,
Ready?
Aiden, look.
What the fuck?
With the left? With the left hit! Oh my God! I'm looking up the neighbors over here.
Behind you.
That's my board.
Oh, yeah.
Nigga, you can't even catch A bound. The fuck is you
Caught
talking
A bound,
about?
nigga. I just caught A bound, nigga.
No,
What
you
are you
didn't.
talking
You
about?
just
nigga?
double dribbled they down.
What are you talking
Double
about?
dribble, nigga.
I did
Yes,
not
yes,
double.
You did.
Cause you was talking to me, nigga. No, that don't count. You was talking to me, bro.
It feels nice now.
What time is it?
Oh, I just saw it. It slipped off my hand. It slipped. Hey.
Oh
me
my
that shit, bro.
God! You watch this. Look at this smirk, nigga. Look.
Yo, I'm about to delete that shit, bro. Yo, I'm gonna have a whole montage. I don't even know how I'm winning this game.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, what? You just called some bullshit.
Get it. Oh, it's gone.
What the fuck?
Take that rebound from the other side of the court.
Time.
Shoot, nigga, you
No fucking way, bro. All right.
Yeah.
6'7".
You are 5, so then now she can be the 2. All right, 8 up. What am I doing? I don't know.
Look at it. Oh, it popped.
Nigga, how not? He's bugging. I'm just letting y'all know. Y'all couldn't see it behind camera. Y'all coming from over there. This nigga airball the fuck out that layup. Look at that big shit. Nigga shine. But I made this, nigga. No, I didn't. I missed.
Yo, what the fuck? No shot, nigga. No shot, nigga.
Little ass boy.
Nigga, he's weak as shit. That's a rock. I just want to pull on the foot.
Let's go home. So listen. Come over here.
I reach. Fucking 9 up.
Come on. Stop
I figured if you're on the ass of you.
It's my part. I'm not losing to this bitch.
Look, so many bubbles. I wish I had a bubble gun. Tired of blowing it. Aiden, look.
Damn, nigga.
Oh, I'm about to take off the shirt. This is the shirt. Like, I'm really about to just hide the tits off.
I made that. Right? Right?
Right? Oh.
Scared of
Okay, go ahead.
I'm not scared of that paint. I don't care. And the shots, yes, but in the paint, hell no. I just don't give a shit. That's how you gotta go when you go in that paint.
Yeah, so
Oh, go dunk that shit. Like, you just seen that dunk? Nigga.
I'm about to dunk on your ass.
Lying, nigga.
Lying.
Lying.
Hold on. Don't even start yet, nigga.
Put them in spot. You're not slamming, dunking on nobody.
I'm about to put it on your motherfucking neck, nigga. Fuck wrong with you.
Yeah, me too.
I took him on shit. Sorry not to laugh too much. Oh shit, that was my rebound.
On some flex shit.
Oh my god, I been sold! Jump straight up. Jump straight up. I'm scared. Now back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. No, like that. Yeah.
Man.
Ow, my shoulder. Hold on. Yo,
I'm not doing it anymore.
hold on. I got you. I'm about to dunk on you.
I didn't see more bubbles.
We didn't even get up there.
Can't even grab food anymore.
10-9. And I'm at.
It's 10-9 right now? Who got
Yeah.
that?
Alright.
You don't know how to do that shit yet. Alright.
I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. You gonna score?
Yeah, I just did. That's some bullshit. That's some nigga.
Yo, bro, I can't tell what's wrong with my
I thought you exactly gonna do that, bro. This nigga made out. Alright. 11-10.
Cause I fucked up. But I did catch it. No shot? No shot? Hell no, no shot.
Yeah.
You said 11 10? Those games are 15? That bitch ass layup.
Come on.
Nigga got like a 38 layup. Look at that. Wow. You shoot it from there, you're not making it. I just cursed you for ordinate things. Oh, I fucked up!
It's on live camera. Damn, everybody in the layup.
It's left-handed, I'm right-handed, nigga.
Alright,
With
man.
my left, I just can't do it right now. I haven't done it in a while. And my arm moves.
Oh my. That's the move I was talking about.
That bitch ass move.
Hey, let's go in there every time.
Noodle.
Alright.
Called it before the shot went in. Way before the shot.
13-12. I'm up by one.
How are we at 13?
I made a 2 and a 1. Are you stupid?
Come on. Come on. First shot, let's go.
But nah. Gotta get 14.
You go, look.
Knock him down.
This nigga's annoying, guys.
When we get to the crib, you know, 2K.
You got your PlayStation? Or your Xbox?
No. I didn't know if you should have told me. Don't be telling me.
Bro, just think about that every time you come over.
Alright, word.
You want to eat?
Probably. That's not gonna be.
I'll probably order something if she don't get home by like 7. If she not home by 7:30, I'll probably order something. Yo, I used to be straight with my left hand, nigga. Now I can't even get to it. I gotta get back in my bag. Duffy.
Jesus.
My left hand's still here.
Alright, 13 up.
Still want that trick shot?
Yeah. This nigga talking to
Left
me, bro.
hand.
Stop talking to me, bro.
Left
He's
hand like
cheating,
that,
bro.
no,
He's cheating.
2-4. I
You
fucking missed.
Throw the game. Throw the game.
You better shoot the 3, bro. That's all. Nigga, I can't hit a 3. The sun not even in my eyes.
I miss.
How the fuck? Look, you not ready for it, nigga. You don't want 15. You don't want 15 like I do.
Go or down south asking niggas what they get the oranges for.